像极光的色彩，你的存在把我的夜空填满，我绚烂，烟花在盛开。
Hello mga inday, adi ami karon sa plaza kung tawag ani pero awara puros mga dahon. So nagbaklay-baklay lang mi dire, exercise ng bana. Exercise mi dalang pud mi tubig. Happy para kung uhawon mi may mainom. So dire. So ako na nagkuspag lang buhok na ako dire. Pilingon jud kay ko. To muna na mong among gibuhat ron. So ito na. Di ami karon sa ilawom na, sa bridge. So ang babawaan na puros na kuan masakyanan. So nag-walk mi dire, naglakad-lakad para basa ang likod ba. Exercise kuno pero hapon na. Oh, may nakauban mi diri ay nauna diha babae kag ero. So mo ni ron mo nang porma sa babaw sa bridge. Mo na siya da. Ang sakinan school bus. So mo ni mong sudlan diri dapita. So kita lang tayo sa susunod na araw. Bye bye.
Let me know when you wanna come back, because we gotta come back.
Look at Anyo, so beautiful.
It would be a good place to ride bicycle, right?
Say hi. Hi.
You
Hi,
wanna go
baby.
back?
Let's go back.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's go.
Continue.
Let's go back. Oh.
Continue.
So, babalik na kami. Hey, going back. You have a notification
I'm
from.
gonna walk with my beautiful wife.
Oh, yeah, we're here. Here, we're here.
And it's a nice place to walk, right, baby?
Yeah, that's a nice place. What kind of tree is this, honey?
Oak.
Huh?
Oak.
Oak?
O-A-K.
Oak. Oak. Okay. Oak.
It's good to make wood for cook.
Oh, nice.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hello, honey.
You enjoy the walk in the park right here?
Yes, I enjoy it because you're here.
Are you tired?
No?
You have your water?
Yeah, I still have it.
Oh, excellent. Very good. We are walking in the park right here in Garland, Texas. That's my beautiful wife, Tia.
Almost.
And she's enjoyed the walk. Although it's been only a couple of miles. But she enjoying being outside. Enjoying the elements and nature. She just really loved to be outdoors. Of course, growing up in the Philippines, she loved to be surrounded by green trees, anything that's green. Lovely lady, sweetheart, love you,
Honey.
love you.